Good afternoon. This is Charles from Carlo&Seb channel. How are you doing today? Today we're going to have an unboxing today. This is a long due unboxing already that I supposed to unbox. As you can see, Seb is not here today because he's all the way to Paris. But stay tuned for the updates on that. But anyways, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. And as you can see, we do have our new video that was up already from last week. This is the limited edition bag that we have purchased. Seb and I went to Louis Vuitton South Coast Plaza. If you haven't seen that one yet, what are you waiting for? Look it up and subscribe and like the videos for that one. Anyway, so this is a long due unboxing because this one is the one that I got from Paris when I went there October of 2019. So it's been like 2 months ago. This is to commemorate my first time in Paris when I went there with Seb, and then Seb is my fiance. He's the one who showed me around Paris because he lives there, so he knows about everything about Paris. So to commemorate that one, we went to Le Bon Marché, and then we got this particular one. I cannot wait to unbox it with you guys. I used this one already twice, so this is not really a genuine unboxing because I already did the unboxing on this one and used this one already. So no further ado, let's unbox this one. What I got from all the way to Paris from the Louis Vuitton store. So the good thing about this one is that so this one is a simple bag that I got from there just to really commemorate first flight to Paris, and then I brought the whole thing all the way from there to here with the bag and this one. And then lesson learned: when you fly and then when you go back here, make sure that this one, you're not going to show this one to the customs because I got fined with this particular one. Anyways, I'll tell you the story on that one on the next video. So this is what I got. Let's unbox this. So this one is, do you have any guesses what this one is all about? So I got this one from Le Bon Marché. That's one of my favorite stores in there because it's not too busy and it's not too crowded because less people in that particular store. So this particular one, we got this one for 420 euros, of course. So it comes with this this receipt and then also the ribbons, of course. So this one is just a simple bag. I really love this anyways. So any guesses? Comment below if you do have any guesses about this particular bag. And then this one is what is the name of this one? Let me check first. So this one is the is it the Etui Voyage GM size. So this one is, I really love this. Look at that one, how gorgeous that is, right? It is really good for my laptop, and it's not really thick as you can see, but it's made out of canvas, monogram canvas, and then it has the gold hardware, and then this is the only leather piece on this one, the tab. And then inside is just one compartment here and then one big compartment on here, and this one is made in France. So this one comes with the coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. There you go on that. And then the booklet of how you're going to take care of this one. So it comes with the booklet of it. And then this one, if you're interested regarding about this is 420 euros, and then it is the code is M44498, M44498. So Etui Voyage GM. The size is GM, 420 euros in Paris, and here in America it's $620. There you go. So this particular one is called for availability, so that means that it's not really available unless you call your personal SAs. So this one is a multi-purpose travel sleeve, in of course in monogram canvas that you can put in your backpack and on or your key pals. So that's that with that one. So what can fit on this one? So this one will fit my laptop. So let's get that. So this is my laptop. It's 13 inches, and then when you put this one inside, you still have some space. So this is perfect, and then you carry it like so on under your arm. And then yeah, so I really like this. And then this is really nice because it's easy to manage because this is a monogram canvas. And then also it's not really that so hard because the only leather part is this one. It's not too heavy. And then the dimension of this one is 15 inches, 10 inches in height, and then the width is 0.39. The only thing on this one, if you can see, if you're going to look on the side, I don't know if I'm not very particular with this one anyways, but if you're particular with that, probably you're going to return it or not. But for me, I'm okay with this one. It's not aligned. The flowers are not really aligned, but on here it's perfectly done. So yeah, I know for a fact that this is authentic because this one came from the Louis Vuitton Le Bon Marché store. It's just that fact. If you're really particular with the alignment of the stars, no, the alignment of that one, so probably you're going to be able to, you're going to be anal about it, and then you're going to return this one to the store. But for me, this is fine. I love it. I used it twice already, like I said, and then yeah, and it's spacious. So, and then there's a space on here that you can put a pen and stuff. And then the number on this one is, you can see that one on the pocket inside. So the number is TY2139. So it's made in the 23rd week of this year, and then the 2019. So it's all the way there. So TY. So TY is that one is made in France, and then the 23rd week of 2019. So yeah, so here you go. At this particular time, this one is out of stock. So the number again is M44498. The name is Etui Voyage GM. This is the biggest size that it can go. There you go. There you have it. So this one is my commemorative item, my first time in Paris, so I really want to commemorate that with this particular Louis Vuitton, my love with Louis Vuitton bags, and then yeah, so I love it, and I can really use this one and show this one on my Instagram because I'm not able to really use that one either because I haven't unboxed it with you guys, or I haven't revealed it to you guys. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. If you want to subscribe into our Instagram, it's Carlo&Seb channel is one word, so I'm going to put that one on here on the bottom part of that. So I'll see you there. We post our stuff in there. We post daily on our Instagram, in Instagram stories, so check us out on that. Thank you very much for watching. This is Charles from Carlo&Seb channel. And then don't forget again to subscribe to our newly reformed Carlo&Seb channel. Sooner or later, you're going to see Sebastian's on this particular channel. It's just that he's in Paris right now. But stay tuned for our exciting videos that's coming up. Thank you very much for watching. This is Charles from Carlo&Seb channel. I will see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. Bye. Thank you very much.